Talofa lava, whakalawalai atu ki Matorosi. My name is Dea Tumo Samafiti. I am the Performing Arts Technician here at the Mangere Arts Centre. So Mic'd Up Mondays is where we get the community together with our band here, Backline, and they come together and just showcase whatever talent they have, whether it's music, singing, rapping, dancing, poetry, in whatever form. It's just a platform for them to come out here and share with the community. I'm the one walking around with the board, looking for names to sing or to share their talent. First 10 artists to come through, they get a $15 voucher. I guess people are willing to come up even without the prize.
But I wasn't born to be tame. I wasn't born to please.
Your expensive car and your caviar, all I need is my guitar.
Hey, my name's Lops, from Lops and the Rusters, having a jam open on Mike Night. One love, and I thought I'll come and be part of the community and giving back.
My name is Hiram. I'm 19 years old. I'm here to perform just to get all of my nerves out. Practice makes perfect, I guess.
Don't think you'll understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, you might blow up and kill this man.
So I'm from Mangere. I'm a local. I chose a country song because I grew up in country music with my dad. I just thought I'd give a different approach. The crowd's so supportive, so that really boosted my confidence a lot.
Believe it or not, the youngest we've had on stage so far is 7 years old, and we've also had people on the older spectrum, around 60 to 70. Yeah, there's no age limit here. I mean, age is just nothing but a number, so come here and sing.
My name is Teki. I am from Mount Wellington, so it's better to come out here and just be uplifted with just music, the vibe, and everything. Yep.
I do work at Southern Cross campus as a vocal tutor, so I just thought, hey, like all the signs are there, why not turn up for the community, come and see how Mangere gets down. One of my sayings is music makes the world go round. Not only music, but the creative arts in general. It's always a good outlet, and I think it's a good opportunity for them to show their expression.
Hey everyone, we are Brotherhood Music.
To another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another, Make some noise outside, come on.
Man, we've had a great turnout. Socials have been blowing up. We have been getting the exact response that we've been aiming for, which was just to be inclusive.
Thank you for coming tonight, Fresh.
Till the next one, I'll see you then.
Keep it fresh.
Keep it fresh.
Keep it fresh!
Come on now.